children. Today I am going to introduce something new. Here it is. Language structure. It means we are gradually going up and learning more. In my previous video, you have studied literature, means textbooks. But today we are going to study grammar. In grammar, first of all, we should understand what are nouns. Nouns means a naming word. A naming word is called noun. Example, sun, river, table, clock, etc. Today's topic is singular and plural noun. Means noun of number. So students, singular means single and plural means more than one. Now I am going to tell you the definition of singular and plural nouns. Now that a noun standing for a one person, place, animal or thing is called singular noun. Examples: flower, chair, watch, key, fairy, child, ox. Now plural nouns. A noun standing for many persons, places, animals or things is called plural noun. Examples: flowers, chairs, watches, keys, fairies, children, oxen. I am going to show some examples which will help you to understand better. Now, in this picture you can see one shelf, shelf, shelves, glass, glasses, pen, pens, cat, cats, cup, cups, leaf, leaves, apple, apples, chair, chairs, bottle, bottles, plate, plates, knife, knives. As you are watching on this screen, some words are here. To make the word plural, we are using S. The first word is house, and to make plural, we are using S and it will become houses. Now next word is pot, pots, pencil, pencils, pen, pens, desk, desks, tree, trees, table, tables, dog, dogs, book, books. There are so many words. There we are using S. Nib, nibs, rat, rats, cot, cots. Now we are going to study the noun words which can be made by using letters ES. One important thing while making plurals is ES will only be made when the noun words ends with letter S, SS, CH and X. Now here we can see on the screen the first word which is written on the screen is watch. Now the watch ends with ch. So while making plural, we are adding es. Glass, glasses, box, boxes, fish, fishes, bush, bushes, branch, branches. Now next slide. Class, classes, church, churches, dish, dishes. So these are the singular and plural. We have to keep in mind that whenever the noun ends with ss, ch, sh and x, we will use es. Now we are going to study the noun words which can be made by using letters VES. One important thing while making plurals is that VES will only be made when the noun words ends with letter F and FE. On the screen you can see the life, thief, half, shelf, leaf, calf, so these are the words which ends with FE. Now life become lives, thief, thieves, half, halves, shelf, shelves, leaf, leaves, calf, calf. Students, always remember this because it is very important for you. The noun words which can be made by using letters VES, one important thing while making plural is that VES will only be made when the noun words end with letter F and FE. Children, after explaining how to make plurals, we are now able to understand that how can we make some words end with F and FE replace F or FE with VES to form their plurals. For example, shelf, shelves, knife, knives. So now let's start the exercise. You can see on the screen clearly life. In plural, we are going to write lives. So write down life, lives. Thief, thieves. THIEVES, thieves. Now wolf, wolves. WOLF wolf, WOLVES wolves. Wife, wives, WIVES wives. Calf, calves, CALVES calves. Loaf, LOAF loaf, LOAVES loaves. Now, in this exercise, we can see some words end with F and FE. Replace F or FE with VES to form their plurals. So write it in your copy. Now our next exercise, circle the correct form of the word to make meaningful sentences. Circle the correct form of the words to make meaningful sentences. Now first sentence is, children should not play with knife or knives. Circle knives. Second, I like eating tomatoes. Circle tomatoes. Those cards belong to Farmer Joe. Circle cards. Fourth, cut the mangoes in half or halves. Circle halves. Fifth, the gardener will trim that rose bush or bushes tomorrow. Circle bush. 6. I am wearing a new watch or watches. Circle watch. Write it in your copy. Again, I am revising this exercise. In first sentence, you can see knives. In second sentence, tomatoes. In third sentence, cards. In fourth sentence, halves. In fifth sentence, bush. In sixth sentence, watch. So, write it in your copy correctly and learn the spellings also. Okay. So now, learn the spellings. Knives, tomatoes, cards, halves, bush, watch. The plural of knife is knives, tomato, tomatoes, cart, cards, half, halves, bush, bushes, watch, watches. Write in your copy. Circle the correct form of the words to make meaningful sentences. First, children should not play with knives. I like eating tomatoes. Those cards belongs to Farmer Joe. Cut the mangoes in halves. The gardener will trim that rose bush tomorrow. I am wearing a new watch. In the earlier video of the chapter, the image is not clear. So I am sending it again for your reference since you do not have the textbook. So read page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and these are the comprehension. In comprehension, there are two exercises. First is fill in the blanks, and second is state whether the following sentences are true or false. Now, next exercise, form the plural of the following words. Okay, complete it in your copy. Have a good day.